Hi, my name's David Jennings, and I just wanted to take this moment to tell you a little bit about Nicholas Darvis and his trading methods and how it's impacted upon my trading. If you haven't heard, the Nicholas Darvis story is an intriguing one. It's a story of a young dancer who traded $25,000 up to $2 million over the course of 18 months. And that in itself is, a fantastic feat, especially when you consider that was back in the 1970s. So if you imagine how much that $2 million would be worth in today's terms, that's a fantastic return. Now, even like I said, that's a fantastic feat. What got me most intrigued was when Nicholas Darvis had a story done on him by Time magazine. He made the comment that it wasn't so much how much money he made that surprised him the most, but rather it was the ease with which he made it. Now, this really got my attention when I first read the story. If you haven't read the story, I suggest you check it out. It's How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market, and it's a fantastic read. And it really resonated with me because I teach a lot of my subscribers and clients the ideas of wealth creation, and wealth creation should include multiple vehicles, and trading is just one of those vehicles. And because you've got lots of other vehicles to focus on and you've got to live a life as well, I've always been of the opinion that you want to try and trade a system that is low maintenance but provides you with fantastic returns, and that's what got my attention to do with the Nicholas Darvis story and his box trading method. Now, I understand there are multiple ways to make money in the market. I've seen so many different ways to make money in the market. The key really is to find a method that suits you, and the Nicholas Darvis method suited me. I haven't actually said this really publicly, the method that I do trade, because I always think it's best if the trader goes through the trader's journey and finds a trading system that suits them. And like I said, because there's so many different trading methods out there, if I was to break down trading into just two types of trading, I suppose I'd say there's a short-term and a longer-term method of trading. So the short-term trading, or very short-term aggressive trading, means that you're buying and selling on a regular basis. You're usually a day trader and you're stuck at the screen all day. It's your full-time job. Now, there are some benefits from this type of trading. The main benefit is that you pull the money consistently out of the market. Obviously, if you're buying and selling in very short periods, you're getting the money back. But on the flip side, there are drawbacks. One, you usually need a larger amount of capital. Two, the time needed. You're sitting there during, all depending on whichever market you're trading, you sit there while the market's open. It is your job. You've got higher brokerage. There's less margin for error when you're trading a shorter term system. So for me, there's a lot of drawbacks for why I don't recommend my clients get started with short term trading. Medium to longer term trading, on the flip side, the money isn't taken out straight away, but what I've found is through my analysis is there's very little difference profit potential between your short-term and your longer-term trading. It really is when you take the money out of the market. And so longer-term, medium to longer-term trading, just trend-following systems, suits me to a T. And there's less time needed, you're going to pay less in brokerage, there's more margin for error. So whenever my clients first get started in trading, this is the direction that I steer them in. I say, look, this is until you're trading profitably, this is where you need to start. Now, the Nicholas Darvis trading method is a medium to longer term trend following system that enables you to identify trading opportunities with great potential. And what I like about it most is it consults price action for all of its entries and exits. Now, what I'm talking about there is many trading systems I've seen, they'll use different indicators and things like that, but all an indicator is doing is analyzing the price data, and then once it analyzes the price data, then it gives you entries and exits based on that analysis of the share price or the forex price or whatever it is that you're trading. Now, I'm of the opinion, you should do your analysis on the actual core data. That's price action data. And the way Nicholas Darvis came up with his box trading method to identify the top of his box and the bottom of his box is absolutely fantastic, and it really resonates with me. And obviously I'm not going to explain how the box is created here, but a break above the box is considered a buy signal, and a break below the bottom of the box is considered a sell signal. And there's other little things that you can do where if a second box appears as the trend progresses and it breaks out above that, that could be another entry point where you can pyramid up. So there's a lot of flexibility with the way the Darvis method works, but I think the best bit is it can really be distilled down into a set of rules. Now, I'm a mechanical trader, and a lot of people I know, when they first get started in trading, are very emotional, and that causes most traders to lose money when they start trading. But what you really need is a set of rules written down that you can follow, and that's what the Darvis trading system gives you. It really is fantastic. I took these, the Darvis story, and I did my own research to come up with my own spin on the Darvis trading method, and it's been fantastically profitable for me. And to this day, I haven't really seen anyone bring out a course that properly explains and describes the way Nicholas Darvis traded. That is, I suppose, until now. There's a new course that's just coming out by Jim Cox, a good friend of mine, called the Nicholas Darvis Trading Secrets course. And I've had the privilege of having a preview copy before anyone else got to check it out, and I can say it really is a fantastic course. I think no matter what you trade, stocks, options, forex, no matter what it is that you're trading, you'd be well advised to get yourself a copy, because there are so many valuable insights into this course that can be applied to everything. And you'll also learn the way Nicholas Darvis identified these fantastic trading opportunities, and you can too. So I suggest if you get yourself a copy right now, you can keep in the back of your mind that your order is 100% secure, because I know Jim offers a 100% money back guarantee, and so you've got no reason to not get a copy. You might as well go get yourself a copy, fully review it, and then start using the trading methods. I know once you do check it out that you'll realize it was a fantastic investment, especially at the price that he's selling it. It's just unbelievably fantastic value. So if you can get yourself a copy and it's still available, I suggest you do so. I just want to finish on the point that I've always said this: there is no holy grail in trading. That said, though, this is one of the most valuable trading courses that I've seen in a very, very long time, and you'd be well advised to get yourself a copy. So well done, Jim, and all the best in your trading success.